I don't know when the girls started using wig caps for quick weaves, but
I'm going to show you exactly how to do your base.
now it's not a problem that you use wig caps, you're just adding in way too many steps. This way is going to protect your hair and you don't have to worry about doing all those extra steps. So first, don't braid your hair. Quick weaves already take long enough. You really don't need to braid it down. All you want to do is do 2 ponytails and then you're going to crisscross them, and this is a temporary hold. Then we're going to go in with some weave molding gel. Why y'all are putting this over caps, I do not understand. It typically goes directly on the hair, and I'm from an era where we used to glue the tracks right on the scalp, so
take it with a grain of salt, but it works.
You're going to saturate that ponytail down, but you're not going to get it like completely wet because you're going to have to dry it. So try and do really nice and even layers. Then we're going to take that ponytail and gather it all together. Smooth it in with your comb, pin away those loose ends, and then you're going to introduce some heat so that you can get a really nice mold. And that's literally it. It's your base. Now for this quick weave, I'm going in with the Miss Origin Core from Bobbi Boss. I literally love these synthetic bundles. They look and feel just like real bundles, which is so tea. And I'm installing it directly on the liquid cap straight to the hair. Now I'm already out of this style, so I can tell you exactly how my takedown process was. All I did was get in the shower, hot water, loads of conditioner, and to blend it in with my natural hair, it was super easy. For this particular hair, I'm going in with just a little bit of curling wand, and then I'm going to pull that curl almost completely out until we get a wave that matches. Press that right on in and you're good to go.